The Halo sectional matrix system is designed to create beautiful Class II restorations. Each component of the Halo system works together to create consistent, anatomically shaped restorations. To begin, select an appropriate matrix band based on required occluso-gingival height. Using the pin tweezers, grip the sectional matrix tab and bend as needed. Place in the interproximal region with the concave surface facing the tooth being restored. Place wedge that best adapts matrix to the gingival portion of the preparation. Light finger pressure may need to be applied to the sectional matrix to prevent it from being dislodged during wedge placement. If needed, an additional wedge may be stacked to provide greater adaptation to gingival cavo surface. Wedges can be placed after ring placement if desired. Carefully place the Halo ring using forceps. The ring should be placed as low as possible with the tine ends of the ring straddling the wedge on each side of the tooth. Rings can be stacked or configured with one ring toward the distal when performing multiple restorations. Inspect matrix, wedge, and ring placement to ensure that matrix is well adapted to the cavo surface margins, and that matrix is in intimate contact with the adjacent tooth. Please note, burnish the sectional matrix only if it's necessary to maintain the original contour of the matrix. Once the restoration is complete, remove the ring, wedge, and matrix. A firm gripping instrument, such as the Halo pin tweezer, oral hemostat, or cotton pliers, may be needed to remove matrix due to the tight interproximal contact achieved with the Halo sectional matrix system. The anatomically shaped matrix bands also help reduce the time spent on shaping and finishing. Finally, the Halo carousel dispenser allows for easy and secure organization of all components. Halo sectional matrix system. Beautiful results in less time.